Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about change of weather and the bad effects on children and the best homeopathic medicines. Sudden weather changes can easily affect children because their immune system is still developing. Cold weather, rain, humidity, dust or heat may trigger infection or allergies. Common bad effects on children: cold and running nose, sneezing, watery nasal discharge, blocked noses, cough and sore throat, dry or loose cough, throat irritation, difficulty in swelling, they can't eat anything, fever, viral fever during season change, body ache and weakness, allergies, repeated sneezing, itching of eyes and nose, wheezing from chest, ear infection, ear pain, irritability, and fever. Diarrhea and vomiting. It is also one of the greatest problems. More common in rainy season and summer season. Skin problem. Rashes, heat boils, eczema, flare-ups. Now friends, come to pathophysiology. Sudden temperature variation affects immunity because the immunity of the children is very low and it is developing. So weather changes affects very fast. Viruses and allergens attack easily. This is also one of the cause. Respiratory tract becomes inflamed. Fever, cough, cold and allergies develops. Now we are coming to the homeopathic medicines. The top ranked medicine is aconite nap. Sudden cold after exposure to cold or dry wind. Fever with anxiety, early stage of cold and cough. This is the indication of the aconite. Should be taken in 30 Ch potency. Just take 2 drops, drop in 1 cup of water and give 2 teaspoonful every hourly to the child. Belladonna. High fever with red face, hot body and throbbing headache, sudden onset of infection. Now coming to the third medicine, that is Dalkamara, a great remedy. A remedy for the weather changes. Day is hot and night is cold. Then Dalkamara becomes the medicine. Illness after getting wet in rain. Cold and cough during damp weather. Now the next medicine is Pulsatilla. Thick yellow mucus. Mild, clingy child. Worse in warm room. Better in open air. Then next medicine is arsenic album. Weakness with burning discharge, restlessness at night, child becomes more aggressive at night, allergic, cold. Now we are coming to the next medicine, that is the Bryonia, a very famous medicine. Dry and painful cough, child wants complete rest, excessive thirst. Now the next medicine is hypersulfur. Sore throat, swelling of tonsils, sensitive to cold air, loses rattling sound, loose and rattling sound. Now we are coming to the calcare carb. Calcare carb is one of the greatest medicine in children who perspires a lot on head. Child perspiring on head, think about the calcare carb. And immunity is weak, recurrent cold. sitting on head during sleep. Now next medicine is tuberculinum. Recurrent seasonal infection, frequent cough and cold, low resistance power. Friends, some tips. Keep the child hydrated. Always give water. Every hourly at least give 1 cup of water or as much as he can drink. Avoid sudden exposure to cold or rain. Give nutritious food. Maintain proper hygiene. Ensure proper sleep. Avoid ice cold foods during weather change. If the problem is too much, please consult a homeopathic doctor nearby. Why I am telling homeopathic doctor? Because homeopathic medicine doesn't have got any side effects and it is not like that it works very late. It works very fast. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.